my name is Daniel from whitepaperdepot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to do a great looking white paper cover in 3D. So the first thing you'll need to go to bit.ly/squarecover, all in one word, and get the action called 3D Book Square Free. So download that action. Once you've downloaded it, copy it into your Photoshop Elements folder. So the next thing you'll need is Photoshop Elements. Also works with Photoshop, but this tutorial is for Photoshop Elements. So you'll find it on your main drive under Program Data, Adobe, Photoshop Elements, and then click all the way through to the actions. Now, once you've done that, have the actions here. Next step you should do is fire up the program, in this case Photoshop Elements, and now you'll need to create a new blank file, new blank file, click OK, and once you've done that, you go to the right hand side under Guided, and then scroll all the way to the bottom, click on Action Player, and you'll already have action. It has two steps. Step one is create design, so we'll do that. Play action. And here it is. So now the next step you would take is create a 2D cover of it. So basically, what you need: a title, a great looking image, maybe a branded bar at the bottom. So I've already done that for these purposes. So let me open it up. Now, this is the cover I have designed. So content is king is our topic, subtopic, subtitle, and then my name, and a nice looking image that I got off a stock photo site. And then at the bottom, you'll find my logo bar. Okay, so now that I've done that, next step is go back to Guided, Action Player, and now take the second action, render the 3D book. Play that action. Now Photoshop will do its magic. You get an error message here, that doesn't really matter. Click Continue. And it takes a while. But at some point, and I think we're close to the finish line, it'll give you the finalized cover. So what happens here, and here it is, finalized cover. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Now, what we did here is play an action. An action is basically a recorded sequence of steps that a designer took in Photoshop, and you can simply replay them. So in this case, really easy. All you need is the 2D design, and you get a 3D cover. So next step you would take, in this case, I don't particularly like the mirror here, so you would edit the image. In this case, why not just take the reflection out completely, maybe delete that layer, and then probably to make it easier to see, move the shadow around a little. And then once you've done that, step you need to do next is save for web. Save for web. And then pick whatever you want. In our case, I want a PNG. And adjust the size to what you need, maybe 500 pixels. And click OK. Select the way to store it. And now Photoshop stores it. And now on our desktop, we should find the PNG. So let's open that up. Maybe in Earth View. Yep, that's how it looks in the end. So those were the steps. Hope you liked it. If you need more data, you can also find this on our website, or rather in the blog section of our website. So hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for listening, and have a good time.